family's been under the weather the last week or so, so sorry for missing you. But we're back. So I think Craig treasure hunting today. We are in need of a lot of building supplies. So this fella down in Chico had some cement piers. Some of them are in good shape. Some of them are in, well, some of them have seen better days. But I think we can make use of most of them. There we are. These are old. I mean, heavy duty. I mean, these are really heavy. And we have a truckload. And he told us we can come back for the rest if we want. There's like 20 more. So that combined with the dimensional lumber that was milled right here on our property and the leftover recycled tin we have laying around should do us for a little while. And I'm looking forward to getting some structures up, especially in between the rains. We're in fall spring here in Northern California, which means we're due for some heavy rains again here any day. So we're going to get going and get this stuff done. So besides the pier blocks and all the structures that we have planned for the property, we're also working on some plans for a root cellar and plans for a bathhouse, as well as plans for a smokehouse. We figured we might as well get all of those things done since the insurance is at least going to pay for part of the house. If not all of the house, hopefully all of the house. But we can get all of the outbuildings done while we're waiting. So we're going to be working on all that. Keep your eye on this channel and watch us as we rebuild. And don't forget to click like and subscribe. See you later.